Welcome back. It's Aaron Lee, Street Council here. Thought I'd do something different today. About to cook. I'm waiting for my... Can somebody come look at her? I'm trying to cook. And she's supposed to be in the video. Somebody come look at this.
Hey y'all.
Kookey Kardash. She looking good, looking good. So today we gonna cook. I'm gonna do breakfast. A lot of people don't know me for cooking, but I'm about to show out a little bit. Listening to my niggas. Catch a body. So I'm about to make something good here. So what I'm about to do is I'm doing cinnamon waffles. I'm gonna use this waffle maker over here. You know. See, I'm gonna use this waffle maker. It's a little old, you know, but it's from the 80s, I think. But we about to really make some waffles. Got the Aunt Jemima. Look at Aunt Jemima looking good. Hey, Aunt Jemima. Sexy. We got the syrup. All right. So we're gonna do some eggs, turkey bacon. No, turkey sausage. Turkey sausage, right? So let's put these eggs. So I'm gonna pull out all the ingredients. Alright, so just put y'all back right there. Alright, so we got eggs with butter. I'm already mixing because you know you gotta really put some work into this. So I don't know how to put food close up to a camera, but we're gonna try. And the sausages. So this is what you do when you're in a quarantine. You sit up here, you cook. Gotta put some stuff together. Alright guys, so first thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna whip this. Still waiting for Kookey Kardash, but before she comes into the video, just gonna stir this up a little bit. So that way you get a little creaminess to it. If it's chunky, please don't serve that to me, because I ain't eating it. Sorry, you know, for those non-cookers out there, but you know, I'm one of those non-cookers, but I'm actually pretty good with breakfast. Alright, so that's our start, and I'll be back with some progress. We'll see. Alright, we back. I'm still mixing, so I'm about to put this waffle in. A few.
Hey y'all. I was getting myself together, honey. And I'm back. Got my hair a little wet. I had to take a shower. But y'all, I'm back.
Yep. So she's gonna teach me how
I'm not
she's
teaching
really
him
working
nothing.
in the kitchen. I mean, I do good with breakfast, but you know, she's helping me, so we're working this out.
So what are we making?
Alright, so we're making waffles, eggs, and turkey sausage.
Alright.
And some sliced oranges, you know, because we think we healthy. We healthy.
Hey y'all.
So I buttered the pan, and I'm waiting for
Y'all, I made brownies yesterday, y'all. They nice and buttery. And I did my hair, y'all. I was tired of looking ugly in this quarantine. Luckily, I grew hair, because I couldn't take it no more.
Everybody stuck in the house. Tell me what y'all think about this quarantine thing. Leave some
How you flip
comments.
your camera?
Leave us some comments. So how? Oh no, it started the other way. Yeah, we gotta keep it that way.
Oh well.
There you go.
So he over there buttering the pot. I mean, excuse me, what's that? The waffle maker?
You know, this waffle maker is by this company called Muncie.
Now, what was you saying about the waffle maker? Sorry.
Now, the waffle maker is from the 80s.
Mm-hmm.
It's by some company called Muncie. I don't know what Muncie is, but all I know is it's really good. It's just really hot. That's why they make them a little bit better now, because you can't touch no part of it but this handle. And this handle is still kind of hot too. But we're just going to pour it in here. We're going to start, because I've been stirring this thing for like 20 minutes. Mm-hmm. Not 20 minutes, but you know. Stir it. Let's see. This is waffle number 1.
You gotta, don't only pour in the middle, pour on the sides, go all over. It's not like a pan.
That's what I was thinking, like.
Y'all, I made a mistake and said pan earlier because he buttered the pan too for the eggs and buttered this too for the sausage.
We gotta clean that out, yeah. We gotta clean that out and start with.
And we only making how many waffles? Like 2?
Maybe
2 or 3?
Well, 2 for 1. Yeah, maybe 2.
We only making like 2 or 3 waffles,
Yeah,
y'all.
that might be a smaller one, but it's okay because I like them small. But I'll make a big Belgian waffle for y'all so y'all can really see it. So I'm gonna do that next.
Yeah, y'all, we're not gonna really make a big pan of waffles because, first of all, we're not even supposed to be eating waffles, okay? And second of all, my friend is cooking for us, so we're going over her house to eat.
Yeah, I'm trying to eat some dinner.
Look at you going. You trying to eat some what?
Dinner.
Oh, dinner. Say that clearly, please.
Nah.
Yeah, I'm not a good camera person. I only can do selfies like.
No, she is a camera person. Could you take good pictures?
My head is so big. Lord have mercy.
Stop it. And let's do this with these eggs. Some crack in the eggs.
I keep telling him you cannot make eggs until the end of the video. Like, he keeps trying to make the eggs right now. Give me the sausage. I'll start the sausage up.
Okay.
You got the back burner on.
That was a fun one. See, look, I try in the kitchen, y'all. At least it's A for effort.
Alright, so I'm gonna put the sausages in.
Let's take a look. Okay, so our waffle's looking pretty good. It's actually a normal Belgian waffle. I thought it was gonna be a lot smaller than that, but that's fine. Because we'll still eat it.
You got the sausages in. His sausages.
Alright, I'm gonna cut some of these oranges.
Mm-hmm.
Cut these. You know, we need the citrus. You know, they said that this is supposed to help with any signs of corona. I don't know. I'm not a doctor, y'all, so.
Yeah, we gotta get a cutting board.
All I know is
it's only $1 in the dollar store, and I still don't have a cutting board.
Yeah.
Making the plate look all nice with oranges.
My hands are clean, so don't be looking at me like, I ain't wearing gloves.
I gotta put those dishes in the dishwasher.
Oh, yeah,
Let's check on this waffle.
I was looking.
Oh, it's looking good. I think it's almost done.
It's almost done.
Yeah.
I have to pull it down. It might actually be done. Sometimes you gotta flip it.
Oh, sometimes you do gotta flip it.
Yeah, so.
I had to flip the camera. I think that's good. I think that's good.
I mean, if you want it toasty.
I think that's perfect. Take it out.
You wanna take it out?
Yeah.
Cool.
That would be mine. That would be your girls. That looks good, y'all. What y'all think? I think it looks great.
Straight from Belgium.
Put the butter right on top right now while it's hot.
Straight from Belgium.
It looks good. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I think we should start selling chicken and waffles.
Same,
I'm always ready to make some money. Get me a deep fryer. Somebody get me a deep fryer. So I can make some fried chicken and waffles.
Fried chicken and waffles.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, that would be hit.
4 wing flings, 1 waffle, $5.
Buy some of them little small containers.
You cannot beat that for breakfast.
Put some
I'm gonna have sides of grits, eggs.
Yes,
Look at me, always trying to make money. I'm a hustler.
Always.
I'm gonna put this phone down, y'all. My hand's tired. Y'all, so I'm over here buttering my waffle.
Wait. My bad.
Uh-oh. We gotta fix the camera.
You good.
There we go.
See, I'm a perfectionist. I'm trying to get things. Perfect.
Yeah.
Sometimes it is.
I don't care.
sometimes it
As
won't.
long as it's recorded. I got my waffle, y'all. Nice and buttered.
Looks so good. Can't wait to mine now, y'all. These brownies, though, you be making the best brownies. And I want a piece right now.
Shoot, you can make the eggs now. Since my waffle done. I was complaining, shoot. I'm ready to eat. I'm ready to eat, y'all.
See her. Alright, let's do it.
So how was y'all day? I'm upset.
In the house.
Y'all, I'm so ratchet. I'm sorry. I'm upset that the nail salons are closed, y'all.
Barbershops. I need to shape up. Well, not right now, but I will.
It's stressing me out. I don't want nobody to do my nails. I want the nail salon to do it. I'm mad. So anyway, y'all know any nail techs?
Any nail
I don't. This is so good, y'all. I don't have the coronavirus. I can come to you. You can come to me. I'll pay extra. You know what I hate about extra tone? It get white. Like sometimes.
You said it get white?
Yeah, sometimes like it can't be good.
Shit ain't that bad.
I had to put my lashes on today, y'all.
Pepper. Don't forget your pepper in the eggs. Just a little bit.
A little bit. Make them eggs good.
You know I am.
We'll see, y'all. I ain't never tasted this cooking.
She need to stop.
I'm gonna just eat all the oranges since they just sitting here for no reason.
So,
Aiden don't want the oranges. He
need like 2.
he prefer apples.
Yeah, he really don't like orange, so
Oh, I'm hungry. Y'all wanna see my fish, Chase? Look at Chase. Say hi, Chase. Aiden named him Chase. Say hi, Chase. Come here, say hi to the people. Come here. Come.
It's the little guy.
Say hi. Look, they right there. Say hi, look.
Shout out to my son Amari. This is gonna be a new friend. I don't care what you say. You're gonna look back on this like, how you just gonna make somebody my friend? I just did, Amari. I love you.
That is not Aiden's father, y'all.
No,
That is Aiden's
not.
uncle.
Yes.
That's my best friend.
And his cousin will be here soon, and I don't need nobody to tell me I'm
He has a son named Amari. We both got boys. One boy apiece. So, you know. Aiden ready to eat. Hi, Aiden. Come here, baby. Look, y'all.
Watch your butt. Watch your butt.
The best. The best of the best. Huh?
Taking that lunch.
No more. Come here. Y'all, I got this for my son. You see this? Crackers, cheese, turkey, and chocolate. He only opens this to eat the turkey. I'm just gonna buy you some turkey. Here. Come here.
He thought she was gonna take it.
Open. Ah. Bite.
He thought she was gonna take it.
Bite. Bite.
Alright, so bring the camera over so they can see what I'm doing.
Now he's gonna cry until I get him this one to the back. He burned his waffle, y'all. I gotta show y'all this.
There's a lot going on.
No. That's because I'm not over there watching you. Oh my God. I'm throwing this away, y'all. No. Look at this. I'm throwing it away. All right, that's out. That's in the trash. Oh gosh, y'all.
I'm mixing the eggs, so you can
No,
at least see that.
that's because he's doing too much at one time. Oh my God, the sausage is burnt, y'all. Everything's burnt. Do y'all think this is burnt or y'all like it like that? He talking about some nice and crunchy. Y'all, he said nice and crunchy. Oh my, OMG, y'all.
Well, could you make another waffle for me, ma'am?
This right here, this is crazy. Let me show him how it's done, y'all. I thought you'd be watching me cook.
I do, but I'm doing it on my phone.
I'm all holding the phone. I need you to hold the phone. You can let those just sit there. And also, you cooking them with the wrong fork. You cooking it with the wrong fork.
You pushed it. She pushed it. Alright guys, so look. We had some technical difficulties in the kitchen, so we're going to be right back with the final result because I'm getting help now. Thank y'all for watching.
I know you're getting help now. I was talking to the people. You were supposed to be cooking breakfast, y'all.
There's too much going on. I do my best. See y'all in a bit.
Hi guys, we're back with the finished result, y'all. Aaron Lee cooked.
Yeah, that last waffle foul in the play. But you know, it happens because that's a
sausage. We have oranges, some fluffy eggs. Let me see.
Yes, with a little cheese.
Fluffy eggs with a little cheese and some homemade cinnamon waffles.
I'm already pouring the syrup because I'm ready. Look at this top. A little loose. There you go.
Y'all, guess why I'm so in a rush to eat breakfast? Because I'm ready to eat brunch already. my friend cooks and I'm ready to eat. So that's what we eating all day today, y'all.
Yeah, today's gonna be an eat fest. It's all right.
I'll exercise tomorrow.
I've been trying to keep up with exercising. Try to do as much as I can every day.
I'm gonna tell y'all now, I'm not eating all of this. As soon as the eggs and sausage is done, the waffles are done.
What's crazy is when I'm booked the food, I'm like, yeah, this is gonna be enough. It ain't a lot. Just, you know, it's a lot.
You got 2 waffles, that's why I can't eat all that. I ain't that hungry.
Yeah, I haven't had food since last night.
Me neither. And he always want to complain about weight.
No, I'm gonna work it off today. I already had that in plan. She know I am.
I want them to just stop. I'm recording right now.
Text message. So you've been watching the news? Keeping up with everything, or you trying to stay away from the news for a while?
I've been watching the news for a certain reason.
And what's that?
None of your business.
Oh my gosh.
But, yeah, I've been watching the news. I'm really ready for everybody to just heal in Jesus' name. And I'm ready for all this to be over.
Yeah.
I'm ready to come back outside. I cannot deal with this.
Yeah, being in the house.
Like, enough is enough already.
Yeah.
But I do know now that it's not only going to be like 2 weeks. So we can just stop rushing it. It's going to happen when it happens.
Yeah. Just gotta let it happen. People should do more reading, you know, about what people did back then with the Spanish flu, polio, all those diseases. Read more about that, about how these people got through.
When I tell people I'm recording, they be like, what are you doing, dancing?
Yeah. So, y'all, I'm praying that everyone gets well. And I'm also praying that all of these people, these senators and all these people who decided to, maybe I don't want to get into that. Only because there's a lot going on with that, and I just can't wait to see when everything unravels after all this is over. But, moving on.
Sorry, y'all. You know when you post a picture and everybody start liking it and commenting? They be souping me up, y'all.
This is a lot.
They good. Y'all want some? Here, take a bite.
People gonna be like, what?
Take a bite.
It's good. Trust me.
It's good. I'm getting full. I cannot. That's it. I can't eat all that. He got all.
I'm still going.
It's not that serious.
This is how men eat.
Not too much. I'm getting full just looking at it.
Yeah, I'm getting full. So, besides the waffle mistake, if you like what you see, yeah, please like, comment, subscribe. It's Kookey Kardash in the building.
Put down in the comments what y'all want us to do next.
She doing another ratchet meal, so y'all should watch out for that.
Yeah, I'm doing another ratchet meal with my son.
Yo, she be cooking the foods.
It's gonna be fun, y'all.
This is her idea that I cooked today.
Yeah.
You know? So that was really cool. Thank you for getting me out of my element. It's my homie.
I want him off me, y'all.
Shut up, stab with this fork.
But yeah. I'm like, you cook today. I'm hungry. I don't feel like cooking. My friend's cooking today. I'm always the one that cooks. And I'm tired of cooking for him. All he eats is turkey and chicken and shit. I can't deal with it.
You know.
No, I don't know.
It's a part of the
I don't
diet.
know.
You know what I'm saying? You know.
I'm done, y'all. That's it. Oops. Once the sausage and eggs is gone, I'm gone.
I'm not, but I'm definitely gonna finish this later. So you guys, thank you. Like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe.
Put down in the comments what y'all want us to do next, y'all.
All right. I love you. Street Council out.
Kookey Kardash out.
Let's talk about what you want to talk about next.
Now
Bye.
Aiden's coming.
Oh boy.
Come here, say
Say
bye.
Bye. Bye.
Say bye, everyone. Right here. Say bye.
Bye.